Hello and welcome everyone to Sherfan Education. My name is Behzad Elavia, and in today's session, we are going to discuss an important DIT setup that we had planned in our XLT class on 12th May this month itself. The name of the stock is Gas Authority of India Limited, GAIL, and as usual, I have planned this setup on the concept of demand and supply, or you can also say we have planned this setup on the concept of pending orders on the chart. The uniqueness of this trade is that I have planned the execution of that trade with more powerful and an authentic structure move with a single candle on the location itself. Friends, I want to highlight one point over here. That is, sometimes we don't find any good formations of demand and supply, but we can still rely on the explosive execution or authentic execution, which almost coincides as a single candle on the higher time frame structure. In this way, the probability further increases for the setup if the formation is still absent on the location. This was a set and a forget trade and not a confirmation entry, which would be carried forward for the next day also. So let us look at the recording of the trade setup of Gas Authority of India Limited. Let me explain you the setup of 12th May, and then subsequently, I will show you the result of it also. GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited, type 1 entry DIT setup. Let me quickly take this, then I'll come back to you. Gas Authority of India Limited, can you please tell me what exactly is happening onto my daily charts? Very quickly. I personally feel, frankly speaking, there is nothing over here. Absolutely correct. Range bound activity है, इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ सोचने जैसा भी नहीं है. Absolutely correct. Okay, it is just because intraday trade के लिए there is a strength on the candle, that is why you are betting onto this. बाकी ये stock में कोई दम ही नहीं है. ये sideways है, range bound activity वाला stock है. Correct. Very good. Okay. Anyways, doesn't mean that you are sideways, you can't go for it, provided you should have some strength. Okay, कुछ तो strength होना चाहिए, कुछ तो imbalance होना चाहिए. Anyways, let's see this. I have a decent strength 2 days back. Let me check 15 minutes or 30 minutes to see exactly if I would look at this. Okay, so maybe this is a rally base, small rally over here. I look at this. Yeah, I got this authentic structure. I hope this authentic rally-based rally is somewhere coinciding with my bigger strength on the chart. Yes, it is on the daily time frame. It is coinciding with my bigger time frame on the chart. Okay, so I have this authentic rally-based rally. I'm trying to go on definitely with type 1 entry because it's an authentic 30 minutes good structure over here. So it's coinciding with my daily green candle also. So I don't want to wait for any confirmations. Straight away, I want to go with type 1 entry over here. Okay, friends. So since we have now understood the marking of entries, stop loss, and targets of Gas Authority of India Limited, let me show you the result that we have achieved on the same or the next day itself. The trade was of 12th May, and since it was a daily income trade, the 3 time frames that we are going to follow for this setup is daily, 75, and 15. So let's have a look at on 12th May structure or the location on the daily charts. There was a strong single green candle on the higher time frame daily charts. Remember, friends, this is what exactly I'm trying to tell you. Even if sometimes the location is absent, you can bet on to your structure on the authentic levels of lower time frames and still succeed with the trade setup. So I don't have a formation over here, but there is a strong single candle structure that I'm betting onto for the location charts. However, when I go on to 75 minutes time frame as on 12th May and check a particular trend of this setup, so I'm just highlighting and squeezing the candles over here on 75 minutes. You can see more or less since past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, the range of the stock is pretty much sideways. Point to be noted over here is even in sideways trend, I'm betting on to a very good rally-based rally structure on my 75 minutes. Therefore, when I go on to my execution time frame, this is what I get. I found out my authentic structure of my rally-based rally, as you have heard it in the recording itself. The stock gives me an entry at the closing hours of the day. Maybe you've got an entry at 3:15 p.m. It's not an intraday trade. It's a swing trade. It can be carried forward for the next day. And this is what it happens subsequently. helping me to achieve my easy 3:1 targets on the very next day itself. Therefore, friends, this is our XLT education trade setup. For more such ideas and trade updates, keep us following on this segment. Have a great day. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.
This should not be treated as a recommendation. Please conduct your own analysis or consult a financial advisor before investing.